If you've ever listened to blues guitar legends like B.B. King, Stevie Ray Vaughan, or Eric Clapton and wondered how they effortlessly navigate the fretboard with soulful licks and captivating solos, you're not alone. Many aspiring guitarists find themselves frustrated by their lack of understanding when it comes to playing blues guitar. But fear not. In this article, we will unlock the secrets of these blues guitar legends and provide you with 5 essential lessons that will help you master the fretboard. Whether you're a beginner looking to dive into the world of blues or an experienced guitarist wanting to take your skills to new heights, these lessons will give you invaluable insights and techniques. Lesson 1. Learn the pentatonic scale. The pentatonic scale is a staple in blues music and forms the foundation for countless iconic riffs and solos. By mastering this scale across different positions on the fretboard, you'll have a versatile toolkit at your disposal. Start by learning it in its basic form, root position, before expanding into other positions up and down the neck. Lesson 2. Bend those strings. Bending strings is one of those techniques that can instantly add emotion and expressiveness to your playing. To achieve those soulful bends heard in blues music, focus on bending accurately while maintaining control over pitch. Practice bending individual notes as well as incorporating bends within scales or licks for maximum impact. Lesson 3. Add vibrato. Vibrato is another technique used extensively by blues guitarists to infuse their playing with character. It involves subtly fluctuating pitch while holding a note, creating a sense of warmth and depth. Experiment with different types of vibrato such as wide or narrow vibrato until you find your own unique style. Lesson 4. Master slide techniques. Slides are an integral part of blues guitar playing and can be used to transition between notes, add slides within phrases, or create dramatic effects. Start by practicing basic slides up and down the neck, gradually incorporating them into your improvisation. Experiment with different slide lengths and speeds to achieve desired tonal variations. Lesson 5. Develop your ear for phrasing. Phrasing is what sets apart great blues guitarists from the rest. It's about how you string together notes, rests, bends, and other techniques to create a compelling musical statement. Developing your ear for phrasing involves listening closely to blues recordings and studying the nuances in timing, dynamics, and articulation. Now that we've covered these essential lessons, let's delve deeper into why mastering them is crucial for any aspiring blues guitarist. Firstly, understanding the pentatonic scale allows you to navigate the fretboard confidently and effortlessly improvise over chord progressions commonly found in blues music. By internalizing this scale across various positions on the neck, you'll have a solid foundation upon which you can build melodic ideas. Secondly, bending strings effectively adds depth and emotion to your playing. It allows you to emulate vocal-like qualities often heard in blues music while injecting your own personal touch into every note played. Furthermore, vibrato enhances expressiveness by giving each note its own character. It helps convey feelings such as longing or intensity while adding texture to your solos or melodies. Mastering slide techniques opens up new possibilities for creating unique sounds on the guitar. Slides can be used not only as transitional elements but also as expressive tools that evoke emotions ranging from sorrowful wails to joyful exclamations. Lastly, but certainly not least important, is developing a keen ear for phrasing. This skill enables you to communicate through your instrument effectively. By studying renowned blues guitarists' phrasing styles and applying their techniques in your playing. In conclusion, by unlocking these secrets and incorporating them into your practice routine, you'll be well on your way to mastering the fretboard and playing blues guitar with confidence. Remember to start with the pentatonic scale, focus on accurate bending and vibrato techniques, experiment with slides, and develop your ear for phrasing. Keep in mind that mastery takes time and dedication, so be patient with yourself as you progress. The journey of becoming a blues guitar legend starts one note at a time. So grab your guitar, immerse yourself in the music of the greats, and let their legacy inspire you as you unlock the secrets of blues guitar legends.